Hello and welcome to Happy Vending. I'm Bill, and today I got my toolkit and we're going to fix a broken ground in this soda machine. Happy Vending. Today I'm working on a Royal G3 machine, and any machines like these that were made in the last 20 years operate with a control board. So in this machine, the control board is up here in the top, and this board controls the operations of the machine. Machines like this that have a control board are very susceptible to electronic interference and electronic noise. For instance, if there was a fluorescent light around here that was going bad, that was blinking a lot because the ballast wasn't charging the light, that type of interference will start making these control boards act sporadically, where they might not vend when they should, or vend when they shouldn't, or give improper change, or jackpot a bunch of change out of the coin mech. A lot of weird things like that. So you always want to make sure on machines that have boards like this that all your grounds are connected. And you'll notice grounds throughout the machine. Not only on the power cord, which is the 3-prong power cord that should have a ground plug on it. You always want to make sure that that ground plug is not broken off. But you'll also notice, like right here, any of these green wires, this ground is connecting to the door. You want to make sure wires like this are not broken off. And when I was looking at this machine the other day, I noticed that this one ground, which goes from the inner door to the outer door, was broken off. I'm not sure if this ground came in the factory on this machine, because not all my machines have a ground from the inner door to the outer door. Or somebody did this after they purchased the machine. But in any case, since it's here, I always like to make sure all my grounds are connected properly. So I'm going to put a new terminal on this just to play it safe. I'm not 100% sure why they're grounding the inside door, the inner door here, but I'll do it anyhow. If it were this ground down here, if this were broken, you would definitely want to make sure that this was reconnected, because this is a ground that came with the machine when it was manufactured, and this is a very important ground on the machine. It doesn't matter if it's a snack machine or a soda machine. If it has a control board, you're going to want to make sure all your grounds are connected. So to do this, we're going to take off this old terminal. Simple Phillips screw on this. Now this one has a ring terminal. Sometimes you'll see spade terminals on these. I have a ring terminal about this same size. In my toolkit, I carry a lot of these terminals around with me, because you never know when something like this is going to be broken on your machine. So there we go, it's about the same size. Now we got to strip this wire. I might want to just cut it fresh and then strip it. I got my multi-function tool here. It crimps, it strips, it even has a wire cutter on here. This is an automatic stripper. I only need about a 1/4 inch taken off of this wire. I'm going to twist that. Put the new terminal in there. Just peeking out the top a little bit. Get my insulated crimper. Make sure it's on the wire when I crimp it. There we go. That's pretty snug, so we look good. And just put the screw back in. Make sure it's good and tight so that you have a good connection on there, good solid ground. So today that was a simple fix, but checking your grounds on your machine is an important thing to do, because you don't want sporadic malfunctions from the control board. Well, that's all for today. As always, happy vending. Can you say happy vending?
Happy vending.
Thank you.